Hello guys, and welcome back to Rezebanu Zikoni. We shall be making banana cake in a pressure cooker. And these are the ingredients: 1 cup butter or margarine, 2 eggs, 1 banana, 1 cup icing sugar, half a cup of milk, and 2 cups flour. We shall start by greasing the pan and dusting it with flour. The greasing will help the batter not stick to the pan while it's cooking. And after it's cooked, it's gonna come off easily. We shall mash the banana and keep it aside. And then mix up the margarine or butter to make it smooth. And then we shall add the icing sugar and mix it up again. So we should gradually be adding one ingredient at a time. So we should mix that up. We're not going to use any mixie or whisk. We're just going to use a normal spatula, a wooden spatula, to mix it up. Time to add in our banana. The banana has a very strong flavor and it really makes the cake smooth. Add in the eggs one by one and whisk it up with the spatula. Make sure you sieve the flour before you add into the ingredients to avoid lumps in the cake. Add in baking powder 2 teaspoons and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence so that it doesn't smell too eggy. We shall gradually add the flour and milk, mixing it. Preheat the pressure cooker while covered. Make sure you remove the ring inside and do not put on the whistle. You can add in some egg yellow food color to give the cake some color, but that is optional. We shall add in the batter into the pan, the greased pan, and put it inside the pressure cooker after 10 minutes of preheating. Make sure the sufuria is hot. You can use a sufuria or a pot or a pressure cooker, whichever that you have, but it should be a thick pot or sufuria. We should let it cook for 50 to 60 minutes on medium flame. Pierce the cake with a knife. If it comes out clean, that means it's cooked, and if it doesn't come out clean, that means it still needs to cook.